These are 8 SUVs that independent mechanics consistently steer family members toward when asked what to actually buy. Not the most advertised, not the most reviewed. The ones that show up in the shop least often, cost the least to fix when they do, and keep running long after most vehicles of their era have been retired. Every recommendation in this video is backed by RepairPal annual repair data, iSeeCars longevity analysis across nearly 400 million vehicles, and J.D. Power dependability rankings. Before getting into the list, here is what mechanic respect looks like in actual numbers. The average SUV costs $573 per year in unscheduled repairs and visits a shop 0.4 times a year. About 13% of those repairs are severe enough to cause real financial pain. Every vehicle on this list beats all 3 of those figures. The ones that do not make the list tell the same story from the other direction. BMW X5, $1,166 per year, 0.8 shop visits, 2.0 out of 5 on reliability. Land Rover brand average, $1,174 per year, ranked 31st of 32 brands. A mechanic named Nathan Myers, speaking to ConsumerAffairs about Land Rover, put it plainly: if he had all the money in the world, he still would not buy one. Oil leaks and electrical problems. Number 8 is the Acura MDX, 2007 through 2013. RepairPal gives it 4.0 out of 5 and ranks it second of 14. Luxury midsize SUV-S, with an average annual repair cost of $571 against a luxury segment average of $807. Only 8% of MDX repairs are severe, well below the 13% segment norm. The reason mechanics respect it is not the Acura badge. It is what sits underneath that badge. Honda's J35 V6, the same engine family powering hundreds of thousands of mainstream Hondas, paired with a transmission every Honda tech in the country already knows. Parts cost Honda money, not Acura money. That gap matters significantly across 10 years of ownership. The caveat is the variable cylinder management system, and it is mandatory to mention. VCM is tied to oil consumption, fouled spark plugs, worn engine mounts, and eventual catalytic converter damage on the 3.5-liter V6. Mechanics who respect this generation of MDX tend to respect it with VCM disabled. Before buying, confirm whether any previous owner addressed this, and factor it into the negotiation if they did not. Number 7 is the Subaru Forester, 2003 through 2013, and it earns its place on this list with one condition attached. The EJ25 naturally aspirated 2.5-liter engine in the models built before 2011 has a documented head gasket weakness. Failures typically show up between 100,000 and 150,000 miles, starting as a slow external oil or coolant leak and costing roughly $2,500 to repair. Any Forester from those years without head gasket history on record should be priced to reflect the outstanding risk, and any seller who cannot produce that history should be negotiated with accordingly. Mechanics still respect the Forester for 3 specific reasons. The failure announces itself externally before it becomes internal and catastrophic, which gives a diligent owner time to act. Symmetrical all-wheel drive and the Boxer layout are genuinely appreciated by technicians who work on them regularly. And Subaru largely resolved the issue with the FB25 engine introduced around 2011 onward. A Forester built after 2011 is a meaningfully different reliability proposition than a Forester built before 2011. Buy with your eyes open on the early cars and without much concern on the later ones. Number 6 is the Honda Pilot, 2003 through 2015. iSeeCars puts the Pilot's chance of reaching 250,000 miles at 13.1%, which is 2.7 times the industry average. the J35SO-HCV6, and the transmissions that back it up have a long, proven track record. And the platform is simple enough that an independent Honda shop can handle everything without specialist tooling. The VCM issue is the same here as on the MDX. A 2013 class action lawsuit covered approximately 1.6 million Honda vehicles for oil consumption and misfires on the 3.5-liter V6. Honda extended some warranties, but never released a mechanical fix. The practical result is that many Pilot owners and the mechanics who serve them disable VCM through an aftermarket controller. The pre-2004 Pilot also has a separate concern: heat-related clutch failure in the 5-speed automatic. The sweet spot on this generation is a 2005 through 2008 example where a previous owner has already addressed the VCM issue, or a clean 2003 through 2004 before VCM was introduced. Number 5 is the Honda CR-V, second and third generation, 2002 through 2011. RepairPal rates it 4.5 out of 5, ranks it second of 26 compact SUVs, and puts the average annual repair cost at $407. Severe repairs account for only 9% of CR-V visits, below the 11% compact SUV norm. The K24 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine is the reason mechanics point here. A 2007 CR-V passed 1 million miles in 2019, documented publicly. A Louisville, Kentucky family reached 1 million miles on their own third-generation example. TFL Car documented a named owner passed 350,000 miles on a 2014 CR-V. None of those are flukes. They reflect what happens when a conservatively engineered port-injected engine receives basic oil changes and is not asked to do anything it was not designed for. The most common repairs on these generations are air conditioning compressor failure and sticky door locks. Inconvenient, not catastrophic. That distinction is exactly what a 4.5 out of 5 reliability score translates to in real shop visits. Number 4 is the Mazda CX-5, 2013 through 2022, the newest vehicle on this list, and the one that proves the reliability formula still works in modern production. RepairPal rates the CX-5 4.5 out of 5 and ranks it first of 26 midsize SUVs. Average annual repair cost is $447. The severe repair probability sits at 8% against a 13% segment average. Shop visits run 0.3 per year against the 0.4 norm. J.D. Power rated the 2022 through 2025 CX-5 at approximately 82 out of 100. What mechanics respect about the CX-5 is a specific engineering decision Mazda made when most of the market moved in the opposite direction. While competitors switched to turbocharged small displacement engines for fuel economy numbers, Mazda kept building the Skyactiv G naturally aspirated 4-cylinder. No turbocharger to fail at 90,000 miles. No high-pressure fuel injection system, building carbon deposits on intake valves. Regular fuel. Conservative service intervals. The result is the top-ranked mid-size SUV on RepairPal's reliability chart. That ranking is not an accident. Number 3 is the Toyota RAV4, third and fourth generation, from 2006 to 2018. RepairPal rates it 4.0 out of 5 and ranks it third of 26 compact SUVs, with an average annual repair cost of $429. Shop visits average 0.3 per year, and 10% of repairs are severe. No single dramatic strength defines the RAV4. No single dramatic weakness defines it either. Parts sharing across Toyota's mainstream lineup means cheap components and a platform that every Toyota independent knows without needing to look anything up. The one area to verify before buying: from 2004 to 2008 examples with the 2.4-liter 4 have documented oil consumption complaints, and some from 2006 to 2008 V6 versions fall under the same VTI oil supply line campaign that affects the Lexus RX 350 and Highlander. Verify service history on those specific years and confirm the campaign was addressed. Number 2 is the Lexus RX, covering the RX 300 from 1999 through 2003, the RX 330 from 2004 through 2006, and the RX 350 from 2007 through 2015. RepairPal rates the RX 350 at 4 out of 5 and ranks it third of 14 luxury midsize SUVs, with an average annual repair cost of $550, against the luxury segment average of $807 and the BMW X5's $1,166. That $550 figure is why mechanics point here when someone insists on a luxury SUV. Parts commonality is the strongest single talking point in this entire video. The RX 300 uses the 1 MZFE V6, the RX 330 uses the 3 MZFE, and the RX 350 uses the 2 GRFE. All three engine families are shared with the Toyota Camry, Avalon, Highlander, and Sienna. A mechanic servicing Toyotas and Hondas all week already knows these engines. Parts carry Toyota pricing, not Lexus pricing. That difference compounds significantly across a decade of ownership at an independent shop. Lexus won J.D. Power's Vehicle Dependability Study for the 4th consecutive year in 2026, scoring 151 problems per 100 vehicles, against an industry average of 204. iSeeCars found the RX hybrid reaches 250,000 miles, 17% of the time, 3.5 times the industry average. The one weakness specific to the RX 350, the VVTI oil supply line has a rubber section that degrades and can burst, causing sudden oil pressure loss. Lexus issued Limited Service Campaign 9LH for 2007 through 2009 RX 350 models. Verify the campaign was completed on any RX 350 from those years before buying. Number 1 is the Toyota 4Runner, 4th and 5th generation, 2003 through the present. RepairPal rates it 4.0 out of 5 and ranks it 9th of 26 midsize SUVs, with an average annual repair cost of $514. iSeeCars analyzed nearly 400 million vehicles and found a 32.9% chance of the 4Runner reaching 250,000 miles, which is 6.8 times the industry average, ranking it second of all vehicles sold in the United States, behind only the Toyota Sequoia. The 1 GRFE 4.0-liter V6 is the engine mechanics point to when explaining what reliability actually looks like in an engine room. Cast iron block, single overhead cam, timing chain rather than a belt, runs on 87 octane regular fuel, pairs with the A750F 5-speed automatic, which CarBuzz has described as offering much better thermal management than modern 8-speed and 10-speed transmissions. No turbocharger, no dual clutch, no cylinder deactivation system. It is a large, conservatively calibrated drivetrain in a body-on-frame structure, and its failure modes trace almost entirely to neglected differential and transfer case fluids, rather than any inherent engineering weakness. Gear Junkie documented a named owner's 2005 4Runner at 350,000 miles, still in regular use. The 5-year depreciation rate on the 4Runner sits at approximately 25.4%, against a mid-size SUV average of 46.3%. Owners who understand the track record hold on to these trucks. That retention drives the resale value, which is why a clean used 4Runner costs more than almost anything comparable in its class. J.D. Power named the 4Runner among 8 Toyota Motor Corporation Model Award winners in its 2026 Vehicle Dependability Study. When mechanics are asked what they would buy for a family member with $25,000 to spend on a used SUV, the 4Runner comes back more consistently than anything else. That is what Secretly Respects looks like when you put numbers behind it. Subscribe to the After Warranty Check. Every video on this channel is built around one question. What does your vehicle actually cost to own after the warranty runs out?